Helen McMahon here for Expert Village. And now, what you've all been waiting for, we're going to add the chocolate chips. And you want to make sure that you get a 12-ounce bag and don't let anybody start eating them beforehand. These happen to be Nestle's milk chocolate morsels. More traditionally, they would be the dark, semi-sweet chocolate. But these are very good too. So we're going to add these today. However, there are other types that you can put in. There are butterscotch chips and toffee chips. And because this is going to be the original recipe, more or less, we're going to add just the old-fashioned chocolate ones, albeit milk chocolate this time. Just dump in the whole bag. And turn on the mixer. And that's the best part. You see all these chocolate chips getting thrown around the side. They're really being beaten in very well with the other ingredients. Wonderful to watch that. The only thing is, by now you've got such a high volume of cookie dough that it sometimes jumps up against the side of the pan. So again, turn it off every once in a while and scrape down the sides and the beater until you make sure that all those chocolate chips are nicely mixed in with all the other ingredients. The cookie dough now is getting very stiff, which is the way you want it to be. And you want to make sure you get it down from the upper parts of the beaters. And we'll give it a final session in the beater until we'll be ready for the next step.